brain behind GIBS is Mr. Jajodia, Vishal Jajodia, and I have long association, and in this association I have seen throughout that this subject, which was largely neglected globally, not only in India, has taken lead, and I have no doubt that we are going to surpass any such effort anywhere in the world. And there was a great meetings, a series of meetings in the past 7-8 years, and it is taking now, maturing into a new shape. And this has given us opportunity for multidisciplinary thoughts, where we are just like tumor boards. Multidisciplines are involved for this treatment of this devastating condition, that is painful bladder syndrome.
I think Mr. Vishal is a very driven and dedicated man. I've been seeing him, since yesterday. He's not sat. He's been standing and listening to everything. I've not seen people like that in industry, so I think he'll go a long way. And I wish him all the success.
Swati Spentos, I should appreciate the directors of this company for taking a lead in this direction to back up the GIBS, which is the medical fraternity, which is taking care of these women who are again suffering silently for all this time.
Mr. Jajodia, his commitment was really great, and the way he explained things actually encourages clinicians also to pour in and contribute.
I have just met him today for the first time, and I'll be honest about it. But I came here because he obviously has a vision. And he obviously has a vision which is scientifically oriented. And hopefully anybody who has a scientifically oriented vision for the treatment of patients is better than one who has a total commercially oriented vision. And for that, I must congratulate him. I must congratulate Swati Spentos for having this Global Interstitial Cystitis and Bladder Pain Society, which I think is the call of the day.
I think Swati Spentos Private Limited has done an excellent job as far as the interstitial cystitis disease itself is concerned. But for the last so many years I've been associated with them, and they've been doing a good job. And I think what we are seeing today is only the tip of the iceberg.